to the 8 application which is majorly used into the pharmaceutical field, right? So let's say discuss about the application of vaccines, right? The first application of genetic engineering, it is a vaccine. So vaccine, it is nothing but it contains a form of infectious organisms, right? It may be living organism or it may be dead organism, right? Generally the work of a vaccine, it is to increase the immunity or to have the antibodies towards the particular pathogen. Okay, so that can be prepared by using the genetic engineering technique, where we are using the particular DNA materials, genetic materials like DNA, RNA, nucleic acid and all those, right? Coming to the second application, that is the hormones, production of hormones. Like it is commercial production of insulins and other hormones which can be useful for the human beings, that can be produced commercially by the using of genetic engineering techniques. Third application, it is the lymphokines, right? So lymphokines, it is nothing but it is the protein which regulates the immune into the human body, right? Immune system, it is going to regulated by these particular proteins that can be produced by using of the genetic engineering. The fourth one is the somatostatins, right? So this is nothing but another hormone which regulates the different physiological functions into the human body, and that also required whenever the person is in deficiency of these particular hormones that can be produced by the genetic engineering. The fifth one, it is the blood clotting factor. So there are so many blood clotting factors like factor 1, factor 2, factor 3, factor 8, like that, right, which helps to clot the blood during the injury, that can be also produced by genetic engineering, and it can be given to the person who is deficiency of the particular clotting factor. Coming to the sixth one, monoclonal antibodies, right? So monoclonal antibodies, it is nothing but cloned form of a single source, right? From the single source, and it is targeted for the specific antigen. That's what monoclonal, right? Single clone of the antibodies that can be useful for the particular types of disease or particular types of antigens. The seventh one, it is a gene therapy that can also we can use into the genetic engineering, like target therapy to the bone marrow and the blood cell or different other body cells, where we are going to target and we are going to change the genetic sequences, and the person can recover from the particular disease and disorder, say for example diabetes or so many other problems which is going to have with the particular patient. Coming to the eighth one, tissue engineering, right? Tissue engineering is another great application of the genetic engineering, like to repair a damaged tissue or organ, right? There we are going to have that particular engineering by using the genetic sequences interference and modification for the betterment of the human health. So these are the 8 applications which is very important for the genetic engineering in the field. Thank you.